everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in today's video, we are walking around Target. They have some absolutely beautiful holiday items. So I thought I'd take you with me, guys. So this video is part of a collaboration and it's called the 12 Days of Christmas, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the co-hosts down below in the description box along with our channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist for the 12 Days of Christmas of ideas for your upcoming holiday. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to tell you how much I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Now remember, clicking that like button and for watching a video helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. So I don't know what it is, but I'm absolutely loving the gingerbread men. Those are one of my favorites. And then this aisle over here with all of the wood stuff is, oh my goodness, it's just gorgeous. take a moment and thank Allie from Glam Elegant Living and all of the beautiful co-hosts for hosting this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video.